Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna help me organize my closet. I feel like with COVID and the kids at home all the time and us just having moved into our home a year ago, like it is not where it needs to be, especially for like all of the OCD tendencies that I have. So I need to clean it anyways. I thought it'd be fun to show you how I like to organize my closet, how particular I get. So let's go have a look. We are also going to have a little special person. T, say hello. Hey. This is where he's working during COVID. It's not just my closet. It is very much, okay, so I have like 3/4 of the closet. He has like 1/4, but it is our closet. So Todd, you're gonna help me. Because I need your help. Okay, come on, let's do this. I'm so nervous. Okay, T, just like give it a little spin around, see what we're working with. So I know that it looks neat. It does, like I said, I have issues with neatness, but it's not organized. So that's what I need your help with. I will show you really quick. Here's Todd's section. Here's Todd's section, and all the rest is mine. So I am the one who is guilty for letting this kind of, you know, go to the wayside. But we can do this together and I will teach you some tips. Before I get started, I've grabbed some things that I just know I'm going to need. And I think it's important to have them ahead of time so you're not scrambling in the middle of getting your closet done. So the first are hangers. I grabbed a lot of them. I hope I don't need more. I also found these boxes at Home Goods. Target didn't have much. So I got 3 of these from Home Goods. I think I know where I'm gonna use these. These for cute little organizational, maybe sunglasses or jewelry or something. And then, speaking of jewelry, I got a jewelry rack. Also from Home Goods, I just think it'll look cute in the closet and it'll also be really practical. So I thought it was good to have these ahead of time. The first thing that I'm gonna do in here is something that I've wanted to do for a really long time, and that is to make sure that all of my hangers are uniformed and going the right direction. I have a lot of plastic hangers in about every color. I've got a lot of those metal hangers that you get from the dry cleaners, but I have found that those just tear my clothes apart. They're not good for my clothes. And then I've slowly been trying to get a lot more of those black felt hangers. They're just really uniformed and they're really slim. So if you are tight on space, then this is going to fit a lot more clothes into your space than those bigger, bulkier plastic hangers. So I'm gonna switch them out. Wish me luck. I am almost done with these hangers. I've done everything over here and I just have my dresses left. I'm so close. You guys, this is my last piece. I'm dying. Can't believe we did it. Oh my gosh. It looks incredible. I'm so happy right now. Now that the hangers are done, I can move on to the next part of organizing, and that is where I like to organize my clothes by color. I like to start with white and then do Roy G. Biv, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and then I will end with blacks and browns. Within each of those colors, I will also be organizing my clothes by sleeve length. So the shorter sleeves in the front, and the longer sleeves will be in the back of the color. You can see it's already a little organized, but as laundry comes in and I get lazy, these get a little mismatched, especially the sleeve lengths get all kind of jumbled together. So I'll show you how I do it. I have a lot of white. I love to wear white. So within here, I'm gonna organize by sleeve length, right? As well as the type of shirt it is. So all of just like my basic white tees go in front. Anything that is a similar sleeve length but is a little bit more blousey is gonna go behind the tees. It doesn't really matter, but once again, I just love organization, so I'm gonna group them that way. I have a lot of stripes, so I like to put my stripes together. Once again, I'm gonna group those by sleeve length as well. Moving on to pinks. Pinks come before red, so I like to have pinks first. There's not many. sleeve length, and then longer sleeves. Next, we're on to red. I don't have much red at all, so that's it. That's an easy one. Here's another pink straggler. Oranges. I kind of like the solids in the back. Longer sleeves, longer sleeve. Tank top, so it's gonna go to the front of my orange. Cool, okay. Oranges are done. Next, we'll go on to yellows. These are all jumbled up. Is this a green? I'm gonna put this with green. Now moving on to green. That was quick. And then blue. This guy should be hung up. He's a sweater. My main clothes are done. They're organized by color as well as sleeve length. Now I'm just gonna move on to dresses and Todd's clothes and do the same. Because my shoes are a disaster, I got this little shoe rack from Target. It's something that I picked up ahead of time, hoping that it will just help my shoes look a lot more organized. Closet to organize some shoes on the base that are just, I don't know, they're just kind of thrown in there. So this will be perfect. Okay, are you ready for the reveal? Come in! It's all done. We've been working all day and I just love it. I love that everything has a spot. It's organized, it's intentional. Everything is organized seasonally. I'm so excited. I've hung the hats on the wall and it just keeps their structure so much better. I have swapped the dresser and the shoes and it makes the biggest difference. I just feel like there's so much more room and it's a lot more airy in here. Thank you for joining and helping me organize my closet. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please give this video a like and I will see you next time. Bye.